Hello, AP History students. I just want to do a quick overview of what this chart is. So I've split you up into two groups on Google Classroom, and each group will get this chart. Notice that on the left-hand column, it has each period we've studied so far, periods 1 through 7. And then along the top, it has the different themes for AP History: American and national identity, work exchange and technology, geography and environment, and so on and so forth. So what I want you guys to do is I have assigned each person in your group a different time period, and you are going to go through and type in each of these different historical examples that fit for that theme or overall ideas. And I have finished work exchange and technology for all periods so that you each have an example to kind of work with. So for period 1, if we're talking work exchange and technology, the Spanish dominated South America at this time period. We know the French and Dutch were more trade-based, where the Spanish were more conquering. We have treaties and conflict with Native Americans. This is a big part of work exchange and technology at this time period. If we go down in period 2, work exchange and technology looks a little different in that it's the development of local power generally. We have people building up their own governments and moving in. We have a democratic idea in the north with town meetings, where the south is more of an aristocracy with landowners. Now this should be sounding familiar, as this all deals with work exchange and technology and what was happening during your time period. So for your time period, you're going to decide, what did American and national identity look like? Was there one? Not really. We had Native Americans that stuck to their different tribes. There wasn't a whole group. And then we have, our conquerors who still were very much alleged to their nation. So American identity has not started to become yet, and you put that in there. Give me some specific examples if you can think of any. Give me names and places and people, but really just summarize that theme for your assigned period. So, and you have to do it for each theme for your assigned period, and then your group members are going to fill in the rest of the chart. So by the end, we should have this completely filled out, and you have a good overall review of everything we've learned this far. I'm hoping you guys will find this helpful. We're going to be focusing on this week, as well as studying your vocabulary in the Quizlet Sarah made. So let me know if you have questions.